Hello guys, welcome to the video lecture on percentage part 2. In the previous lecture I told you the three types on which questions are frequently asked in examinations. Now coming to the type 4 based on area and volume. So the question on this is the diameter of a sphere is increased by 20%. By what percent is its surface area increased? So doing this question in a way as like I told you previously that a formula plus x plus y plus x into y upon 100, where the sign of x and y can be given as plus x if it increases and minus x if it decreases. So here again it is increased, so the 20 plus 20 plus 20 into 20 upon 100. The answer is 44% increase. Coming to the next question, a cube's each side is increased by 10%. Find the percent decrease in its volume. Like I previously told you the questions on area, but now the question here is in volume. Volume means a 3D shape. So doing this question in a way is, first we have to follow the same procedure but like this. First 10 plus 10 plus 10 into 10 upon 100. So here it is 21. Now again 21 plus means again we will take the 10, the third side, equal plus 21 into 10 upon 100. So it will become equal to 33.1% increase. Now coming to the type 5, that is questions based on election. The question here is, in an election A and B were two candidates. A got 45% of all votes but lost by 1000 votes, and find the total number of voters. So this question is frequently asked. We will do this question in a way like here is A and here is B. Now it is given that A got 45% vote. So if A got 45% vote, then B will be getting as 55% vote, as there are only two candidates. 100 minus 45 equals to 55. Now the difference between 45 and 55 is 10%. So 10 is equals to 1000 votes. 10% is equals to 1000 votes. So the total number of voters are 100%. So 100 into 1000 upon 10. So the total number of voters would be 10,000. So simple. Now the next question. In an election, 20% votes were declared invalid. A and B were two candidates. B got 40% votes of valid votes and lost by 1600 votes. Then we have to find the total number of voters. Now I have selected this question to tell you because here a word comes invalid. So we have to do this question in a different way. So let us here assume that let the total number of voters be x. Let the total number be x. So x into the 20%. If 20% votes are invalid, so 100 minus 20, that is 80. 80% votes will be valid. 80 upon 100 into, now here it is given that B got 40%. So if then A would be getting 60% if B got 40%. So 60 minus 40 is 20. So 20 upon 100 is equals to 1600. So we will cancel it out. Now 5 ja 10, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 4 4 ja 16. So the answer would be 25 into 400, that is equals to 10,000 again. Now coming to the type 6, based on mixtures. It is given that a 40-liter mixture of water and milk has 10% water. In this mixture, what amount of water should be added to make 20% of water in new mixture? So doing this question is like this. Here it's given as 40 liter of mixture. So 40 into, now it is 20% which we want as a new mixture, and presently we have as 10. So here we will write 20 minus 10, that is 10. 40 into 10 upon, now at the denominator we would write 100 minus 20 equals to 80. 40 into 10 upon 80. 42 ja 80 and 2 5 ja 10. So answer is 5. Now this was the video lecture on percentage. I hope you all may find it very interesting as well as helpful in your examinations. Now again we are back with some of the best tricks so that they can be helpful in your examinations. And today we are going to discuss addition and subtraction on fractions. So the given question here is 23 minus 3 by 4. Now what a general student will perform to do such kind of questions? They will do as 23 into 4 minus 3 upon whole 4. Now that is a tough process to do in a fast run. Smart students don't do it. So the trick to this is 23 minus 1 minus 3 by 4 equals to 22. 3 minus 4 1 upon 4. The answer to this is very simple, 22 whole 1 by 4. Now 23 plus 3 by 4. Doing it very simply, the answer is 23 whole 3 by 4. In additions, we usually get this as the answer as per the question. Now here the denominator is smaller and the numerator is larger. So doing this in a way is 23 minus 4 by 3. We can write the 4 by 3 as 1 whole 1 by 3. So it becomes 22 minus 1 by 3. And again adopting the old procedure, 22 minus 1 equals to 21 whole 3 minus 1 2. 21 whole 2 by 3. Here 23 whole 23 plus 4 by 3. So 23 plus 1 whole 1 by 3 equals to 24 plus 1 by 3, and answer is 24 whole 1 by 3. So guys, this was my video lecture on percentage as well as with some of the most best tricks, and I will see you in next lectures. Thank you.